Hi! Welcome to my channel, Pilipina, Bisaya, Netherlands. Ipakita ko sa inyo ang beach ng Netherlands. Ito ang kanilang beach. Walang entrance fee. Malawak. Walang mga cottages. Hindi kaya sa atin na magbabayad tayo ng entrance fee. Kailangan talaga nating magstay ng cottages at magbayad din. Ang sa kanila, wala. You are free to do all things here. Only a big restaurant, this one. You can stay here, eat, have a coffee, drinks, and you can eat also. The rest, nothing more. And ito ang mga bagay na magagawa mo pag start ng spring. Beach sailing. Sa atin wala ito. Dito mo lang ito makikita. Hindi ko alam sa ibang lugar, sa ibang bansa. So you can do and rent this one for maybe an hour. It's up to you, and you enjoy riding by the wind, because the wind here are strong. Ang hangin malakas dito. So ito ay maraming taong nagpunta dito, nagdadala ng kanilang mga gamit gaya ng parasailing or doing surfing here. So they have their own. This one, you have to rent this one, the beach sailing. You have to rent this one. Magagawa mo lang ito pag spring, saka malakas ang hangin. Maraming mga tourists na nagpupunta dito, like Germany, Belgium, kasi malayo sila sa beach. Mas malapit kasi ang Netherlands. Oo. Kasi after sa Netherlands, that is Belgium at saka Germany. Every spring, they start coming here. Most Germany and Belgium. Kasi malayo sila sa dagat. Madistansya kasi sila eh. You can see many people here from other countries during summer. They bring their own equipments, except this beach sailing, because you have to rent this one. They do surfing, parasailing, and others. Kung kayo'y magpunta dito, ito ang magagawa ninyo. You do a beach sailing and many things. You can see a lot of things here also in Netherlands, like in the spring, the tulips, and others also, especially in Amsterdam. You can do a boat canal there. And you enjoy also in riding this one, because kasi malakas ang hangin eh. Try to watch until the end, kasi paano or unsa niya pagbalintong, kasi tungod sa kakusog sa hangin balintong siya sa ang gisakyan. So it's really fun in riding this beach sailing, kasi mabalintong man ka. So I'm talking now my own language, Bisaya. I also talk Tagalog and English. Okay. So I recommend kung magpunta kayo dito, try to balintong na siya. Try to ride this one.